Then every time he shows a shot of his truck, he's real self-conscious
Why is that?
because his wheels have always looked like total crap.
So, if you wanted to improve the look of your wheels, where would you go to get stuff to do it?
Any place that sells wholesale car cleaning products is probably going to cost the least amount of money.
So, Joe, where did he go to get what he needed for this project?
He went to a place called Showstopper out in Lakeside, California.
Is he sponsored by these guys at all?
Definitely not. He shops for price, not for product placement. I was on the phone with him earlier, and he emphasized that any wholesale auto detail supply store is what you should be looking for.
So what exactly did he leave here with?
He ended up leaving with heavy-duty wheel acid.
It looks like you're definitely going to need a power washer.
And definitely don't forget about eye protection. Accidentally spraying that acid into your eyes could be very damaging.
Those don't look like safety goggles to me.
Let's see what he does here. Those do look like they wrap around and provide pretty good coverage.
I'm going to give him a pass on those glasses since he did bring baking soda to neutralize any acid he may spill.
So the first step is going to be spraying off the wheel basically to get it wet.
Notice how that power washer is doing nothing. That wheel still looks like crap.
Don't forget to dilute that wheel acid per package. Instructions.
Joe, how did he dilute it?
The bottle said 4-to-1 ratio, so he added 16 ounces of water to 4 ounces of acid.
Did he do it in a chemical-resistant spray bottle?
Oh yeah, bet your ass he did. Now he does have me really nervous right now by not wearing gloves.
I thought you told me this guy knew a little bit about chemistry. Not wearing gloves is crazy.
Foolishly. He probably thinks his technique will offset the lack of protection provided by gloves.
So, it looks like he has the solution applied. How long did he let it sit?
He left it on there for about a minute and a half. The instruction said to apply a small amount to an inconspicuous portion to be sure it didn't damage the wheel, but fact of the matter is his wheels look so bad he just didn't care.
I like what I'm seeing. That solution is starting to foam up and is not having to scrub at all, turning a very difficult job into a very simple task.
Let's speed this video up a bit to get to the good part. Jamie, can you hit the fast forward for me?
That wheel doesn't know what's coming for it.
Oh yeah, that power washer seems to be making quick work of all that built up grime and dust. Look at it go.
Joe, you seem to be talking kind of slow. You doing okay?
Oh, that's my fault, big dog. Joe and I have been hanging out in the green room all morning, and I brought him a special delivery from Cali.
Okay, well, you two take care. It would seem this job is not the only thing getting wrapped up. Joe, did he have any other advice to pass along?
Oh yeah, you can buy metal polish if you're so inclined and go to town with this project. You can try to turn those steers into mirrors.
Well, it sounds like a plan, Joe. Always good to see you and did my best to snoop.
Will do. Good to see you too. Appreciate you for watching, everybody. Take care.